Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am not featuring a stamp set. I am featuring a whole bunch of other products. The beautiful pattern embossing folder, and you can see the design there. And then I am going to feature the Florals in Bloom Designer Series paper, and there is a sticker sheet that goes with that. So yeah, no stamping today. I do apologize, this video is coming out a bit late. It's because, well, Mondays are my days off because I'm a hairdresser, and secondly, I had to run to my post office to pick up the package of Stampin' Up products for my product share. So if you're part of the product share, it's coming out, getting mailed out to you tomorrow because I did all the cutting and all the things. So that being said, I leave my little sticky notes on here for some folks. There are 2 pieces of Petunia Pop as well as the card base. That is 2 1/8 by 4. And the Designer Series paper called Florals in Bloom, 2 separate colorways or patterns. And those are 2 by 3 7/8. So they have a little mat. And then I'm just going to hear them directly on the card. So this is a really quick video. It is also a very simple and easy card to duplicate. So if you can think about the some of the pattern paper that you have that coordinates together, pick a cardstock. You don't necessarily have to use an embossing folder if you don't want to. You could just use plain if you want. I wanted to put the busier pattern at the back, and then the slightly less busy pattern on the front. And then I'm going to bring in that sticker sheet. And I think I'll go with the All Things Grow with Love. Now, this is a sticker, and I wanted to put it on dimensionals. And if it gets squashed in a card, it's not going to be dimensionalized. So I'm taking my embossing buddy, which is like, it's just an anti-static tool. You could use flour if you wanted, or de-stickify this with running it on your pants or jeans or sweater or something, as long as you don't have fuzz that transfers over. You just want to mattify it and de-stickify it so that you can put dimensional adhesive. So that's what I did, and it says All Things Grow with Love, which is so very true, isn't it? I say that about hair all the time. I say if you encourage your blood to the surface of your scalp, your hair is going to grow much better, faster, healthier. Anyway, so, and I did put another leaf here. And then you guys, this is a new product that I am featuring here called the Sparkle Dot Essentials. A lot of different colors, and one happens to be Petunia Pop. So that is my share for today. I'll leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the product for yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.